Did you know that the Sikh Empire was one of the most formidable powers in India during the 19th century? Let's explore how it rose to prominence and shaped the region's history. The Sikh Empire, founded in the late 18th century, emerged after the decline of the Mughal Empire. It united various Sikh missals under the leadership of Maharaj Ranjit Singh, who established a secular and progressive rule. Key events include the unification of the Sikh missals in 1799 and the expansion of the empire under Ranjit Singh, who defeated Afghan invasions and expanded territories into present-day Pakistan and parts of northern India. Important figures like General Hari Singh Nalwa played crucial roles in these military campaigns, solidifying the empire's strength and influence in the region. The legacy of the Sikh Empire is profound, influencing modern India's cultural and political landscape. The principles of equality and social justice established during its reign continue to resonate today. From its resilience against colonial forces to its rich cultural heritage, the Sikh Empire's history is a testament to the enduring spirit of its people, reminding us of the importance of unity and strength in diversity.